Do you ever feel like you're not good enough to be a programmer? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to build confidence and develop a growth mindset in your coding journey. So let's turn self-doubt into self-belief, shall we? First, let's talk about why it's normal to feel insecure when learning to code. Coding is challenging and it's easy to compare yourself to others who seem more advanced. But remember, everyone starts somewhere and progress is different for each person. The key is to focus on your own growth and celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Think about it. Every line of code you write is a step forward. Even if it's not perfect, you're learning and improving with each attempt. Embrace the mistakes and learn from them. That's how you build confidence and become a better coder. So, how can you build confidence and develop a growth mindset in your coding journey? Here are a few tips. Tip number 1. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate every small victory, whether it's solving a bug, completing a project, or learning a new concept. These small wins add up and boost your confidence. Tip number 2, practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to improvement. Set aside time each day to code, even if it's just for a few minutes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Trust me. Tip number 3, learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. Analyze what went wrong, understand why, and use that knowledge to improve. Remember, confidence comes from within. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn and grow. With a growth mindset, you'll overcome challenges and achieve your coding goals. As Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. Thanks for watching. I'm Pete. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.